Welcome to Inside the Process channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Good. Stop.
The collected raw honey is pumped through food-grade stainless steel pipes to the primary settling tank. The warmed honey flows into the first stage filtration system, consisting of coarse stainless steel mesh filters. The honey continues to a finer filtration stage using bag filters made of food-grade polyester material. The filtered honey passes through a final polishing filter stage. The worker checks the clarity of honey exiting the system. The fully filtered honey flows into a final holding tank, where temperature is carefully controlled.
The robotic palletizer continues building the pallet by placing cases in an interlocking pattern.
Pallet recorded. 56 cases of honey. Aisle 7, rack A1. System updated.
Everything looks good back here.
Got the photos.
All right, manifest sign, let's roll it out.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. I'll be in touch.
Stay safe.
Ensuring every batch of honey meets USDA Grade A standards.
In the case and packaging materials storage area, large rolls of corrugated cardboard await processing.
All right, let's prioritize the rush order for the organic honey. Warehouse needs to pull that first.
Did you see the numbers for line 3 today?
Yeah, we're way ahead of schedule.
That new calibration really made a difference.
Gate 3, you are clear to back in. Gate 3, you are clear to back in.
Transcription. This pump motor should be back online soon.
Just finishing up this bracket fabrication.
Let's test these circuits for integrity.
Food safety is paramount in our operations.
Proper hand washing is the first line of defense.
Now let's review the equipment startup sequence.
Everything looks good on machine 3.
Hold on, what's that alert for Unit 7?
The consistency looks perfect for the new infused honey.
Let's get these samples ready for the panel.
So as you can see, our state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle of honey is pure and perfectly packaged. Anito. This final verification ensures only products meeting all quality standards leave the facility.
Customer service, this is Sarah.
We're happy to help with your honey order.
Our current inventory shows we can fulfill that.
The course costumity है जैसे पेंसिल टिकलिंग शॉर्ट में फिंची नम से पर के गया है इसलिए एस्थेटिक इवेंट को स्ट्रेटनिस्टी Victor, waktu ay para di zakura baca. Aluni the napna pati daran yunchivan. Chone three the narin aring.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.
This modern honey processing plant exemplifies American food manufacturing excellence, producing millions of bottles